People are rushing to Sora 2 like it's the next big thing after Cristiano Ronaldo. Everyone's talking about it, and I even made a video showing how to get an invite code. But recently, I tried something new, and it completely changed the game. A tool that doesn't just compete with Sora 2, but actually beats it. Introducing Higgsfield WAN 2.5, an advanced AI video generator that does it all. You can create high-quality lip-sync videos, animate any photo, or build cinematic product ads in seconds. It is culture-ready and uncensored, supports celebrities, stylized prompts, and internet-native language, and offers unlimited generations on paid plans with daily free runs for everyone. Quick heads up before we start. Higsfield is running a limited-time unlimited offer, giving you unrestricted access to these best models: WAN, Kling, Seedream, Seedance, Minimax, and Nano Banana. This is your chance to test everything without limits, but it's only available until Friday, October 10th. So if you're watching this before that date, make sure you grab it right now and start creating while it lasts. With Higgsfield WAN 2.5, everything happens in one seamless pass. Audio, voice sync, sound effects, camera motion, and facial expressions all align perfectly on the first render. This is the update Sora never shipped, bringing realistic motion, natural expression, cinematic quality, and full HD 1080p results. You can generate up to 10 seconds of video in multiple formats for TikTok, Reels, and YouTube. But before we dive in, check out some of the videos I created using Higgsfield WAN 2.5. After that, I will show you exactly how to access and try it out for free.
I'm so hot as fuck. You can't match my energy.
Stick around, hit that like button, and let's begin. First, head over to the top right corner and sign up for an account for free. All right, here we are inside Higgsfield AI, and today I'm going to share some incredible prompts that you absolutely need to try out for yourself. So make sure you stick around because these examples are going to highlight the full power of what WAN 2.5 can really do. As you can see, once we land on the Higsfield dashboard, the first thing that catches your eye is the sheer number of visuals everywhere. If you're a visual thinker like me, this layout is pure inspiration. But since we're focusing on WAN 2.5 specifically, let's head straight there. Now take a look at this. Right away, you'll notice the WAN 2.5 community section. This part is incredible because you can explore what other creators are making in real time. You'll find some of the most recent and impressive video generations right here. For example, let's check out this one of two Kung Fu fighters fighting in the rain running. When I click on it and press play, not only can I watch it, but I can also recreate it instantly by hitting the Recreate button at the bottom right. Or if I want to customize it myself, I can just click on the prompt to copy it automatically. This is such a great way to gather inspiration and develop your own original ideas while understanding how others are building theirs. Now, let's move over to the main WAN 2.5 interface. In the top left corner, you'll find everything neatly organized. Options like Explore, Image, Video, Edit, and Assist. Each section opens up a different creative path, but since today's focus is video, go ahead and hover over the Video tab. You'll see a list of amazing tools and features waiting for you. To really put WAN 2.5 to the test, simply select Create Video. That's where the magic begins. And from here, we'll start by coming up with a few unique and creative prompts to see what this tool can truly deliver. Now here's something really cool about Higgsfield WAN 2.5. It doesn't just create videos, it also lets you use image generation prompts, which means you can blend both worlds and push your creativity even further. To really take things up a notch, let's use the text-to-video feature. For this, I am going to paste a prompt here. If you feel your prompt isn't strong enough, you can hit Enhance, and Higsfield will automatically improve it for you. I'll leave it on for this test. Now, this particular prompt already includes sound effects built right in. Everything from voice, sound effects, and music is handled directly through the prompt itself. First, we'll make sure our model is set to WAN 2.5. On the left-hand side, you'll see a full list of models available, and there are quite a few to explore. But for today, we're sticking with WAN 2.5. Once that's selected, you can also choose your video duration, 5 or 10 seconds, and your resolution. Let's switch it up to 1080p for the best quality. For the aspect ratio, you can choose between 16:9 or 9:16. We'll keep the wide 9:16 format for now. Another great feature in WAN 2.5 is that you can choose to either upload a reference image or generate a video completely from text. For this one, I do not need a reference image. Once everything looks good, scroll down and click Generate. Now, if you want unlimited generations, check this out. There's an option that says Change to 720 for unlimited mode. So, I'll ensure I switch the resolution to 720p, enable unlimited mode, and then hit Generate again. And now, we just wait for the magic to happen. All right, the first video is ready. Let's play it. That looks amazing. The combination of motion and sound effects are spot on. You get that cinematic and ASMR touch. Now, let's try another one. I'll pick this new prompt, which already looks incredible, and then paste it into Higsfield. I'll use my credits for this one. Set up video duration, resolution, aspect ratio, and then hit Generate again. Here's the new result. You can already see how good WAN 2.5 is at handling movie-style prompts. The motion is smooth, the visuals are crisp, and the personality in each frame stands out. If you don't like the output, you can always regenerate. Let me try another prompt. I paste it and leave other things unchanged, then click Generate. Let's look at the result. To download the video, click on the Download button. Now let's check out some of these other amazing examples created with Higgsfield WAN 2.5. While we are doing this, please hit subscribe. New AI tech tutorials coming your way.
Walking with my wife.
Love you.
Walking with my wife.
Now remember what I mentioned earlier about celebrity support? Take a look at this.
Nice office, but Mars has better views. Nice office, but Mars has better views.
And there you have it. An amazing update from Higgsfield AI WAN 2.5. It's packed with features, powerful motion, and limitless creative potential. There's a link in the description if you want to try it yourself. I highly recommend giving it a go, especially since you'll get unlimited generations and daily free runs. Let me know what you think in the comments. Have you tried Higgsfield AI yet? And if you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more deep dives into the latest AI tools. I'll see you in the next one.